Hey up! Welcome to another edition of Barnsley Biker Video Diaries. I've just been going through some of my Goodwood clips and I found a couple that are too good to wait until I put together a full-length video. I've decided I'm going to share them as shorts. The first one, while I have a cup of tea, I'm going to let you watch it. It's basically the Honda RC174 GP racer from 1967. This bike was so loud that I couldn't hear for 10 minutes after walking away. Watch, hopefully you'll like it. Please share, please subscribe, but more than anything, please enjoy. I'll catch you after I've had my cup of tea. City. That is probably the loudest bike I have ever heard. Wow, I am now deaf.